Beacon Park Boats is now open, offering luxury, self-catering canal holidays in the beautiful Brecon Beacons. All our boats are completely self-contained with everything you need for the perfect getaway, so there's no need to share or see anyone else if you don't want to. We've been awarded the Good to Go certificate, which means we're doing everything we possibly can to keep you safe. Our boats and day boats are washed down and cleaned thoroughly using D10 and Milton sanitisers between guests. We're operating a one-way system at the boathouse to maintain social distancing. Welcome to Buzzard. Please watch this information safety film. We have created a handover DVD to show you the inside of your boat so that we don't have to come aboard. And our staff will wear masks and gloves while showing you how to drive the boat. All lined up, ready to go, private, self-contained accommodation with a different view every night.